Samsung's head of the mobile department is sure that this year's flagships will be a success. New leaks of the Galaxy S10 have appeared in the wild, and this time no bunny covering the screen, and it looks like LG will release both the G8 and a 5G variant of the V50 this March. I'm Jaime Rivera, and well, Tuesdays are better than Mondays. We're just getting closer to the weekend, and I need to get some better weekend jokes. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Believe it or not, we have some more for iPads at B&H, $100 off for those of you in the market for iPad Pros. Apple is silently reducing the price tag of these products without making it official. The cool part is, you know that at B&H, depending on what state you buy from, you're exempt from taxes, etc. You can learn more in the description. Now let's move the spotlight to the news you wanted to hear from Apple. Yes, I highly recommend you disable your FaceTime, at least temporarily, because the group version of FaceTime, which was just launched a couple of days ago, was just discovered to be able to have people eavesdrop on whatever it is that you're doing by a simple trick. You can learn more about the trick in the description, and yeah, Apple is working on a fix. Now let's talk about LG, as we know that the company is most likely bringing us their G8 at MWC in Barcelona. We will be covering that event. But the most interesting part is that apparently there's a V50 in the works, and this V50 includes 5G. And it seems that it will also be announced at MWC. And yes, this is so weird and it's crazy. Yeah, stay tuned, as apparently the price tag for that 5G variant will be more than $1,200. Right. And for those of you that did not like the bunny leaks of the Galaxy S10 because we wanted to see more of that display, there's another photo now in the wild. One UI working over this interface. Actually, it doesn't look bad at all. The icons look smaller, the screen looks amazing, but obviously there's only one way to find out. And finally, the hot news today have to do with Samsung and its future product lineup, as DJ Ko just came on record and claimed that he will not disappoint consumers this time, that we should expect something great for the next Galaxies. There are even reports that apparently he will be leading this unpack last, and we don't know exactly what's going to happen after. I hope he continues. He's been doing an amazing job with Samsung ever since he took the reins. But let us know in the comments down below, what are your expectations for both the Galaxy S and the Galaxy F? What would you like to see for him not to disappoint you? Because in my case, I just wanted better software and we got it now. Can't wait to see what's next. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. And follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.